2016 GMC YUKON XL. GMC YUKON XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, power passenger seat, tow hitch, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.